This is Renee Thomas, the DIY Mental Boost, and we have some great affirmations for courage, laughter, time management, orderliness, trusting the process, self-worth, and for your body. Affirmations for courage. I'm ready for whatever today brings. I am not a worrier. I am bold and daring. Today, I take action. I am fearless. Challenges, they are my specialty. I am unstoppable. I radiate great courage. I am ready for bold adventures. Affirmations for laughter. Laughter and happiness come easily and naturally to me. I am funny and I make people laugh. I create laughter. Anything is possible when humor is present. Laughter releases my inhibitions. I stop taking myself so seriously. I laugh to promote healing. I acknowledge my own eccentricities. With amusement, I feel amused. Affirmations for time management. I am my time manager. Every day is structured and organized for the best productivity. I do not live pressured or behind. I live efficiently. I monitor my time well. I know when to do more in less time, but I also when to do less in more time. Distractions don't steal my time. I am disciplined. I no longer procrastinate. I continually improve my time management skills. I use wise judgment in how to spend my time. I am proud of how I use my time. Affirmations for orderliness. Order and organization is in every aspect of my life. Easy and fun. Organizing is easy and a regular part of my movement by movement process. I enjoy creating order and beauty in all areas of my life. Right and perfect action takes place in every area of my life. I have clarity and order in my life. I will exercise order in my life, and I will let all things have their place and purpose. Affirmations to trust the process. My faith grows exponentially every day. All things are working together for my good. All things are working together for the good of my loved ones. I am not defined by my past. I am an inspiration. I am thankful for each and every breakthrough. I embrace my journey. I have faith in my ability to build the life I've always dreamed of. Affirmations for self-worth. I choose to see good. I'm in tune with my body. My body tells me all what it needs. I choose peace. Healing is possible for me. I am thriving. My body and my health is restored. I am confident in my body. I am resilient. I am well. I deserve love. I love my life. I have space to grow. My relationship with myself is the most important relationship I'll ever have. I approve of myself. I deserve my wildest dreams. Affirmations for your body. I am grateful for my body. I love and respect my body. I have everything I need to accomplish my goals. My body can find its happy weight. My body is my ally. I deserve to be happy and healthy. I give my body permission to change. I bless this food and this body with love. All food is just food, not good or bad. I release food rules that do not serve me. I don't need a diet. I am giving my body what it needs to thrive. I feel my best when I am active. I am in tune with my body. My body tells me what it needs.
Affirmations. What do you know about affirmations? Do you know a lot? Do you know a little? How are they working for you? Or have you tried them and they're not working? What do I think of affirmations? I think affirmations are good because affirmations lead to mindsets. And I'm all about the mindset of your brain. How is it that you make an affirmation turn into a mindset? Because an affirmation could be say, I am worthy, I am worthy, I am worthy, but you're actually feeling unworthy. So until the affirmation becomes something you actually feel, it's actually not a mindset yet. Okay? So when your affirmations are something that you say and you actually feel, then they become mindsets. Up until then, they're just words that you put out, which are really good because you want your brain to hear those good words. But why does it seem that affirmations take a long time, or you have to do it so many times, or it just doesn't seem to stick? Well, that's because within our subconscious, we have low vibe emotions, affirmations going on. Okay, and those are of high intensity, that they are stronger and more powerful than the affirmation that you said for just 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, because you have 70,000 thoughts a day going in your head. And so you got to see which is the loudest, which is the highest, which is being said the most. So how do you make affirmations work for you so that you don't have to just keep saying a bunch of words in a mantra type sense, but not really seeing any results? Well, if you love affirmations, then you're going to really love what you're going to do with this little PDF guide that I've made for you. This is actually a challenge for you to see what you can do with affirmations. So you just take the affirmation list, and what you're going to do is you're going to read what the topic is. There are 20 topics with 100 different affirmations. When you read the affirmations for that topic, how does it make you feel? Are you feeling it's true? Or are you feeling it's not? So if the affirmation is that I love my job, it's productive and beneficial for me, but yet you really don't feel it, well, then you'll want to use the 3-step thought process, because that will help the brain to release any resistance to thinking that there's any good in your job. Then you will have done a rewire, a shift. And so then it will start to feel comfortable. And then that's when affirmations, when they are comfortable and they feel the power, that they become mindsets. So affirmations, they're very good. But if you're saying affirmation, but you're feeling it's not true, you'll want to do the 3-step thought process, which will quickly de-escalate that feeling that is higher than the affirmation. You want to keep the affirmation that you want higher than the low vibe affirmation. So you can do that with this little sheet PDF guide that I have made, so that you can actually make some great changes with affirmations. Okay? If you're saying, I love affirmations, but at the same time, you're so depressed, it's only because the affirmations are not having enough power. The low vibe emotions are actually overshadowing it. So what you can do, your affirmations that you are not feeling, do the 3-step thought process. And the guide sheet shows you how to do that. So if you're interested in that, go to DIYmentalboost.com to download it right now, or you can go to my Etsy shop and you can download it and start to really get some powerful affirmations that you're really feeling. Now, as soon as you start feeling these affirmations and they become mindsets, do you know what happens? That's when those things start to become a reality in your life. And that's when you start to see the changes. But if you're just saying the affirmations and then you're not feeling it, that's why it's not seeming anything is changing for you. Does that make sense? Remember, the brain can only produce what it is that we input it. So you're putting in affirmations, but if the low vibe affirmations are higher in intensity, that's why you're not getting any results. So what you want to do is make those low vibe affirmations go down, and then the high vibe affirmations go up. And when you do, they will become mindsets. And when it's a mindset, what does that mean? It means it's in there. It's an automatic program. You don't have to fight to make yourself think that this is good or this is who you are. Your brain will just tell you that as soon as you wake up every day. You won't have to talk yourself into say, oh, you're beautiful, you're kind, you're wonderful. You will not have to do that because your brain will always say to you, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you're kind. It will tell you. So affirmations are great. They're a great way to get started on helping to guide your brain in the right direction to start bringing high vibe emotions into your life, along with situations and things that you want. This is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and thank you for letting me share this with you. I hope that you found this beneficial, and we'll see you the next time.